subject EVS. EVS means Environmental Studies. So kids, today I will explain you chapter lesson 6, the clothes we wear. जो कपड़े हम पहनते हैं, the cloth means कपड़े we wear, हम पहनते हैं. Why we wear clothes? हम कपड़े क्यों पहनते हैं? Because we wear clothes to protect our body. हम कपड़े इसलिए पहनते हैं कि हम अपने शरीर को बचा सकें. Clothes keep us safe from heat, cold, rain, wind and insect bite. Cloth हमें बचाता है, सेव करता है गर्मी से, हीट से मतलब गर्मी से, कोल्ड में ठंड से, रेन में बारिश से, विंड में हवा से एंड इंसेक्ट बाइट्स और कीड़े मकोड़ों के काटने से हमें सेफ रखता है, हमें बचाता है. दैट्स व्हाई वी वियर क्लॉथ्स. वन मोर टाइम आई एक्सप्लेन. वी वियर क्लॉथ्स टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर बॉडी. Clothes keep us safe from heat, cold, rain, wind and insect bite. So kids, this is a cloths. You have to see the picture of cloths. Look at the pictures in the blanks on page 25. Write the names of the clothes you wear. So first picture you see, yeah. This is a picture of a frog. F-R-O-C-K, frog. Frog who is wearing? Girls are wearing frocks. Next picture is a S-W-E-A-T-E-R, sweater. Who is wearing? Sweater wearing? Everyone is wearing sweater in a which season? Yeah, winter season. Next, S-K-I-R-T, skirt. Skirt, girls are wearing skirt. Next is t-shirt. T-S-H-I-R-T, t-shirt. Boys and girls both are wearing t-shirts. S-H-O-R-T-S, shorts. Boys are wearing shorts. Next, S-O-C-K-S, socks. Socks, everyone is wearing socks. C-A-P, cap. When we are going to outside and sun rays are very heat, so we wearing cap to save our face or eyes. Next is shirt. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. Boys and girls both are wearing shirts. Next, S-A-R-I, sari. Saris are wearing women's. Next is S-A-L-W-A-R, salwar. K-A-M-E-E-Z, kameez. Salwar, kameez. Girls and women both are wearing salwar, kameez. So kids, next is, so kids, come on page number 26. You see the clothes I wear is a written part. So kids, first what you like to wear? आप क्या पसंद करते हो पहनना? As I am a woman or a girl, I write here some clothes name. First is, if you are girl, write here frock. F-R-O-C-K, frock. T-S-H-I-R-T, t-shirt. S-K-I-R-T, skirt. S-H-O-R-T, short. Next, what I write next? P-A-N-T, pant. T-R-O-U-S-E-R, trousers. C-A-P, cap. S-O-C-K-S, socks. Okay, so kids, you have to fill your choice clothes what you like to wear. Next is, so kids, why we wear clothes? Because we have clothes are protects our body. We wear clothes to cover our bodies. और अपने शरीर को ढकने के लिए हमें कपड़े पहनने होते हैं. Clothes protect us from the heat. गर्मियों के मौसम में अगर आप धूप में जाएंगे और अपने जितने भी हाफ स्लीव्स के अगर कपड़े पहने होंगे तो आपने देखा होगा कि कुछ देर बाद जब आप रिटर्न होते हैं, घर में आते हैं, तो हम देखते हैं कि पूरा हाथ टैन हो गया है, पूरा ब्लैक हो गया है. मतलब स्किन हमारा जो कलर है उससे दूसरा डार्क शेड में वो हो गया है. इससे पता चलता है कि हमारे सन रे का इफेक्ट कितना ज़्यादा हमारी बॉडी के ऊपर होता है. इसके लिए हम लोग कपड़े पहनते हैं और गर्मियों में हम लोग फुल स्लीव्स के कपड़े पहनते हैं ताकि बाहर धूप से हमें हमारी स्किन उससे इफेक्ट ना हो. They also keep us warm when it is cold. और सर्दियों में भी हम लोग कपड़े इसलिए पहनते हैं ताकि हम ठंड से बचे रहें. हमारी बॉडी जो है वो ठंड से बची रहे, इसलिए हम लोग सर्दियों में कपड़े फुल स्लीव्स के पहनते हैं, गर्म कपड़े पहनते हैं ताकि हमें ठंड ना लगे. We wear different kinds of clothes made of cotton cloths at different times. हम जो है गर्मियों में कॉटन के कपड़े पहनते हैं बिकॉज कॉटन इज कूल, हमें वो ठंडक पहुंचाते हैं. कॉटन क्लॉथ्स जो है हमारी बॉडी के जो पसीना है स्वेट कर लेते हैं और हमें ठंडा रखता है, हमारी बॉडी को ठंडा रखता है. और डिफरेंट फंक्शन या प्रोग्राम्स में हम लोग डिफरेंट टाइप्स के कपड़े पहनते हैं. When it is hot, we wear clothes made of cotton. Cotton clothes keep us cool. गर्मियों में हम कॉटन से बने कपड़े पहनते हैं, कॉटन के कपड़े पहनते हैं. कॉटन जो कपड़ा जो होता है वो हमारे शरीर को ठंडा रखता है. नेक्स्ट इज, सो किड्स, इन विंटर सीजन में जो मौसम होता है, जो वेदर होता है, इट्स वेरी कोल्ड वेदर. विंटर सीजन में वेदर इज वेरी कोल्ड. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू वियर वुलन क्लॉथ्स. वुलन क्लॉथ्स हम पहनते हैं. वुलन क्लॉथ्स कीप्स आवर बॉडी वार्म. वुलन क्लॉथ्स जो होते हैं हमारी बॉडी को गर्म रखते हैं. वी वियर स्वेटर, जैकेट, woolen pants, even socks are woolen, gloves, cap, all our body covered with the woolen cloths. It is warm our body and keep our body safe for cold. Next is, when it is rain, we carry umbrellas. Some of us wear raincoats to keep ourselves dry. In rainy season, अपने को सेफ रखने के लिए ताकि हम लोग गीले ना हो जाए, that's why we have to wear raincoat and sometimes we have to keep umbrellas. So it is must to save our body for rain. We wear raincoat and umbrellas. Next is, so kids, now we will start our exercise. Match the pictures with their names. So kids, you have to see some pictures of here and some names of these clothes. So we have to match this. First is shorts. You have to see where is the picture of a shorts. Yeah, this is a picture of a shorts. So match this. Next, skirt. Where is the skirt? You see? Yeah. Here is a skirt. So match this. Next, socks. Where is the socks? Here. Here. Yeah. This is a socks. So match this. Next, salwar kameez. Where is the salwar kameez? Yeah. This is a salwar kameez. So match this. Next, sweater. You see, where is the sweater? Yeah, here is the sweater. So match this. Next, blouse. You see, where is the blouse? Yeah, this is a blouse. So match this. Next is raincoat. You see, where's the raincoat? Yeah, this is the raincoat. So match this. Last one is t-shirt. So match it with t-shirt. So kids, this exercise is done. Now we will do another exercise. Okay, so we will do another exercise. So kids, let's start a new exercise. Mark the sentences as true. You have to tick mark, or not true, then you cross it. So number one is, we wear clothes to cover our bodies. It is true or not true? Yes, we wear clothes to keep our body safe. That's why we have to wear clothes. So tick here. Number two, clothes keep us warm when it is cold. Yeah, we have to wear clothes to save our body cold. So tick here, right? Number three, when it is cold, we wear cotton clothes. We wear cotton clothes in summer. So it is not true. So cross it. Number four, we carry an umbrella when it is rain. जब बारिश होती है तब हम क्या लेते हैं? अम्ब्रेला लेते हैं. Yeah, it's true. Next, number five, we wear a raincoat when it is hot. Yeah, we wear raincoat when it is hot. It's true? No, it's not true. So cross it. When we wear raincoat when it is rain. Yes. So kids, we will do another exercise. So kids, this is the last exercise of the chapter. Tick the correct word as like a choose a correct option. Number one, we wear cotton or woolen cloths in winter. What we wear in winter season? Yes, we wear woolen cloths. So tick mark in woolen. Number two, a or an umbrella or coat keeps us dry when it is rain. What we keep? Umbrella or coat? Yeah, an umbrella. So tick here. We wear pants or socks on our feet. What we wear in our feet? Yeah, socks. So tick here. Number four, cotton cloths keep us cool or warm in summer. What we have to feel when we wear cotton cloths? Yeah, we feel cool. So it keeps us cool. Next, number five and last one is, we wear cap or wave on our head. What we wear in our head? Yeah, cap. So tick mark. So kids, this exercise is done. So kids, I hope you all are clear the concept, the clothes we wear. If you have any doubt, any query, you have to ask me on online session. Now till then, bye.